This is the cello part for Eine Kleine Nachtmusik. Both the minuet and the rondo I'll do in this one video, okay? The rondo, one of the important things I think I mentioned this in class yesterday, the most important thing is the emphasis, right? The minuets, the emphasis is on beat 1, and that doesn't mean like a punch in the face kind of emphasis. It's just a little gentle nudge, right? It's not an accent, it's just an emphasis, okay? Difference between, pushing on somebody's shoulder and, like shoving them, okay? Just gentle, but obvious, okay? And we all have the responsibilities of that, not just the cello part. So for the minuet, I'm going to play it as written. So I'm going to do both repeats in the minuet. I'm going to go on to the trio. I'm going to do both repeats in the trio. Then I'm going to do the da capo, which means go back to the minuet, and I'm going to play through the minuet without the repeats and go right to the fine. And then I'll go on to the rondo, but I'll probably talk first. Okay, here's the minuet. 1, 2, 3. Technically a little bit more difficult. For those of you who aren't in my orchestra, we have changed a couple of bowings, just based on experience mostly. So hopefully they're okay for you, but if not, do what's in your part or what your director wants you to do. Okay, so it will be in 2 eventually, but for our purposes today, I'll just go in 4. We'll be a little bit we'll definitely be on the slow side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, and. Play these short, except for the half notes, off and short and. And I'm going to do this repeat, and I'm not going to do any other repeats. And 2, 3, and 4. And 2 and short and second ending. Nice and strong. 4, letter A, 2, 3, 4. And 2 and 3 and 67 and 68. There are a couple ways you can do it. You can stay in first position until the A flat in 68. But so that's this example. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, and then you just go up a half a step, and then first finger, and then open string and low one. Now, the other way you can do that, you can prepare ahead of time for that A flat, is to go to second position at the end of measure 67. So that will look like this. 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm moving up. First finger, now third finger on the G. See, I'm already here. Okay? Personally, I like going to second position a little bit early. So I go first finger on my B flat of 67. All right. So now I'm going to start in measure 69. So towards the end of that first line there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Rest. So what I'm telling my students is somewhere in 77 or 78, get to third position, okay? Replace fourth finger with first finger so that by the time you get to 79, you're in third position. You stay there for 2 solid measures, okay? So here's 78. Rest. Now I'm going to slide up. And now I'm in third position. 2, 4, 4, 4, 4. I'm not moving at all. I'm just changing strings. 2. Now I'm going to play open. Okay? Now I'm going to do 79. One more time. I'm going to keep going. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't do what I said. And here's 87. We're going to jump. Rest. Delicate and short. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to jump and I'm going to go from measure 128 into what my music is calling the coda. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4. 3, 4. And